In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create isometric section view. To create isometric section view, first we have to create a standard section view that we shown in this section. So we have this view and we want to make a section here. So we have to go to view layout and choose section view. So we're gonna go with standard cutting line, vertical, and let's check auto start section view. So now we can position where we want to make a section. So we're gonna make a section here, and now we can drag this to the left or the right, and we can leave this here. Now we have a normal standard section view, section BB. Let's click OK. And now if we want to make isometric section view, we can just right click on it, and here we have isometric section view, and just click here. And now we got isometric section view. You can also change the name. Here you can flip direction like this. You can go with something like this, and you can change display style. You can go like this, and you can change scale. Let's go 1:1, and OK. And now if we move this, we see that we can position this where we want. We have to break alignment. So we can just simply right click on it, alignment, and break alignment. And now we can position this isometric section view where we want. For instance here. OK. We can move this here, and OK. And this is how you can create isometric section view.